1970 Chevy Chevelle, priced at $45,000, is a classic American muscle car that combines timeless styling with dependable road performance. This example is powered by a gasoline engine and has an odometer reading of 59,000 miles. It comes with an automatic transmission, making it easy and comfortable to drive for everyday cruising. The vehicle also has a clean title, providing added confidence for potential buyers. Overall, this Chevy Chevelle is in very good condition and is roadworthy, making it an appealing choice for enthusiasts seeking a classic car that can still be enjoyed. Its iconic design and styling make this Chevelle worth considering. 1969 Dodge Charger RT, priced at $92,000, is a remarkable classic American muscle car with an excellent overall condition. This sedan is powered by an 8-cylinder gasoline engine and features rear-wheel drive for a traditional muscle car driving experience. The odometer shows just 45 miles, while the vehicle also has a clean title. An automatic transmission provides smooth and convenient driving, whether you're cruising around town or enjoying longer journeys. The Charger RT combines aggressive styling, strong performance, and iconic American character. Overall, this vehicle is in very good condition and is roadworthy, making it an attractive choice for classic car enthusiasts and collectors. 1964 Pontiac Catalina, priced at $22,000, is a classic American sedan with excellent condition. It is powered by an 8-cylinder gasoline engine and features rear-wheel drive, delivering a comfortable driving experience. The odometer shows 73,000 miles, while the car features a custom paint color that gives it a distinctive appearance. It also has a clean title and an automatic transmission, making it easy and convenient to drive. Overall, this Pontiac Catalina is in very good condition and is roadworthy. With its classic styling, specifications, and unique exterior finish, it is an appealing choice for enthusiasts looking for an enjoyable classic American car today. 1974 Chevrolet Nova, priced at $12,000, is a classic American coupe offering solid value for enthusiasts. This car is equipped with an 8-cylinder gasoline engine and rear-wheel drive, delivering a traditional driving experience. The odometer shows 200,000 miles, while the blue paint gives the car a distinctive classic appearance. It also comes with a clean title and an automatic transmission, making it convenient and easy to drive. Although its listed condition is good, the vehicle is described as being in very good condition and is roadworthy. Overall, this Chevrolet Nova is an affordable classic with timeless styling and genuine American character for collectors today. 1960 Alfa Romeo Giulietta, priced at $22,500, is a beautiful classic Italian car in excellent condition. It features a 4-cylinder gasoline engine and rear-wheel drive, delivering an engaging and traditional driving experience. The odometer shows 57,000 miles, while the blue paint gives this Giulietta an elegant and distinctive appearance. It also has a clean title and a manual transmission, adding to its classic driving character. Overall, this Alfa Romeo Giulietta is in very good condition and is roadworthy. With its stylish design, lightweight character, and timeless Italian appeal, this classic car is an attractive choice for enthusiasts and collectors seeking something unique and enjoyable to drive. 1971 Chevelle Convertible, priced at $67,500, is a stunning classic American convertible in excellent condition. It is powered by an 8-cylinder gasoline engine and features rear-wheel drive, delivering a powerful and traditional muscle car experience. The odometer shows 25,000 miles, while the blue paint gives this Chevelle a beautiful and timeless appearance. It also has a clean title and an automatic transmission, making it smooth and convenient to drive. Overall, this vehicle is in very good condition and is roadworthy. With its open-top design, strong performance, and iconic styling, this Chevelle convertible is an attractive choice for classic car enthusiasts and collectors. 1970 Ford LTD, priced at $9,995, is a classic American sedan in excellent condition. It is powered by an 8-cylinder gasoline engine and features rear-wheel drive, delivering a smooth and traditional driving experience. The odometer shows 26,000 miles, while the yellow paint gives this LTD a distinctive and eye-catching appearance. It also comes with a clean title and an automatic transmission, making it comfortable and convenient to drive. Overall, this Ford LTD is in very good condition and is roadworthy. With its classic styling, low mileage, and bold exterior color, this vehicle is an appealing choice for enthusiasts seeking an affordable and enjoyable classic American car. 1969 Ford Mustang, priced at $36,500, is an iconic classic American coupe in excellent condition. It is powered by an 8-cylinder gasoline engine, delivering the strong performance and character associated with the Mustang name. The odometer shows 90,000 miles, while the vehicle comes with a clean title and an automatic transmission for smooth and convenient driving. This Mustang combines timeless styling with classic American performance, making it an appealing choice for enthusiasts. Overall, the vehicle is in very good condition and is roadworthy. With its legendary design, V8 power, and automatic transmission, this 1969 Ford Mustang remains an exciting classic car for collectors and enthusiasts. 1964 Ford Thunderbird, priced at $12,500, is a stylish classic American car with timeless appeal. This Thunderbird runs on gasoline and has an odometer reading of 58,000 miles. It comes with a clean title and an automatic transmission, providing a smooth and comfortable driving experience. Known for its elegant design and distinctive character, the Thunderbird remains an appealing choice for classic car enthusiasts. The combination of its classic styling, relatively low mileage, and convenient automatic transmission makes this vehicle especially attractive. Overall, the car is in very good condition and is roadworthy, making it a practical and enjoyable classic for anyone looking to own a piece of American automotive history. 1960 Studebaker Lark, priced at $4,500, is a charming classic American convertible offering great value for enthusiasts. Listed in good condition, this Lark runs on gasoline and has an odometer reading of 98,000 miles. It features a clean title and an automatic transmission, providing a convenient and comfortable driving experience. The convertible body style adds extra character, making this Studebaker especially appealing for relaxed cruising and classic car events. Despite its age and mileage, the vehicle is described as being in very good condition and is roadworthy. Overall, this Studebaker Lark is an affordable classic with distinctive styling, practical features, and plenty of vintage American character.